Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Python programming step-by-step tutorial. Today is a first day. If you look at the concept of Python, Python is a most easiest programming language in the world. It is very famous programming language in nowadays. Now here, if you want to download the Python, you just type Python on Google. You can get the first website look like this, www.python.org. This is the official website of Python programming. You just click the link, right? It will take you to the official website. You will be able to download the software here. There will be the download. This is the latest version. You just click and download in your machine, right? You download. After that, after download the program. It is straightforward. You just hit next and you will be able to install your Python program in your machine, right? Okay, after install your machine, you will be able to check whether Python is installed or not in your machine. Here like this, go to the CMD. Here you have type Python, press enter key. Here you can get this success message. Your Python is successfully installed in your machine, right? Don't worry about that. Your Python will be installed in your machine successfully, right? This is the stuff you have to do. Okay, right? After that, if you look at the concept of Java, what is the extension? The extensions will be .java. This is the extension, right? If it is C#.cs, this is the extension. Okay, if it is VB.VB, this is the extension, right? If you look at Python, what is the extension is .py. This is the extension of the file. Okay, this is the extension of the file, right? Now here, let's take the example here in Notepad. Let me save this file as a Python, right? Okay, let's save this file as Python. You have to write print. Okay, if you write the hello world, very simple. If you look at in Java, you have to write the main method. Inside the main method, you have to write the hello world program. But the Python, it is easiest way to write the programming language compared to Java. You just write the single line. Okay, print. Inside the double quotation, you have to write here hello world. Right. Okay. Here at the end, we no need to put the semicolon here, right? You don't have each and every program you have to write here. You no need here. This simple code you have to write. You have to save this file. Right click save as. I'm going to save in my E drive. When you save the file, you have to give the all file. Here we have to write file name, right? This my I just give the file name as first. This is the first program .py, right? If you hit save, you go to the E drive and check what is the extension, right? You go to the see the E drive, you have to see, right? I just read it here. This is the extension Python file. Okay, this is how we have to save the file. Okay, you will be able to run this file. Okay, this is very simple one. You just set the path and you can run the file. Instead of run the file look like this, you just go to the command prompt and you will be able to run the file. Instead of that, you will be able to install the editor, right, which is a PyCharm. This editor which easiest to write the Python program, right? PyCharm, right? I recommend this one. You have to install the PyCharm, right? Instead of you are using the Notepad or Notepad++, this is very easiest to run the program, right? Nowadays the industrial are using the PyCharm to write the Python programming, right? So here this is the official website for download the PyCharm. Click the download button to download this PyCharm software in your machine. After downloaded, this should be the straightforward. You just click next and you will be able to install your machine, right? After install your machine, you go to the you can get it here. You go here. Here write PyCharm, right? First you have to type Python py. This is the first. This is the extension of. You just type py. You can get the software. This is the latest version. You just click here. Right. This is the ID. Right. PyCharm. It is open successfully. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to go to create a new project. How to create the new project here is this is already I have created one project, so that it will be loading, right? You are beginner of Python, so how to create the new file here is, first what I am going to do is go to the file, new project, the new project. If you want, you can give the name of the project, right? I just leave it as a default one, create this window, right? This is a new now your project is being creating. You have to wait until your project is created, right? After created your project, the window look like this. Okay, this one should be the main.py. This is the file, right? If you want, you will be able to create the new file. Right now I just remove this. If you no need this one, this is a default one, main.py. That if you want, you will be able to this one remove it, right click, delete, right? If you want to create the new file, create this one, right click, new. Here you have don't put this file, Python file, right? You no need to give the extension. Extension will be taken automatically, right? Now the first I have created the application name first Python, right? Hit enter key on your keyboard. Your Python file will be created here. This is a extension, it automatically created. Py is a extension, right? Now here first I am going to write the hello world program. How to write the hello world program? Print, very simple. You have to write here inside the double quotation mark, you have to write hello world. This is how you have to write the hello world program. Now how to run this program? Very simple. You right click and there will be the option called run this one. This is your file name. Otherwise click here run, right click, you have to click run. Otherwise here also run. You will have a menu option. Okay, you use one of these, right? Right click, I am going to run here. You will be able to see the output here at the below hello world, right? Very simple. Okay, very simple one. Now if you want to write multiple lines, okay, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here, right? Now right click, run file. You will have a 2 hello world program, right? Here 2, right? You can print 2 text set here, right? So now here if you want to print 2 countries names, London and India, right click run, you will be able to print here. Okay, it's a very simple one. You must try this one, right? After that, now what I am going to do is here I am going to add 2 numbers. So how to add 2 numbers over here? Very simple one. If you put double quotation mark, the Python will be easily understand this one should be the string, right? So if you write here 3, if you write as a number, if you have print the numbers, you just write without double quotation mark, right? Right click, run file, 3 will be printed. What is the difference between if you inside the double quotation mark or without double quotation mark for numbers? If you write inside the double quotation mark, this one should be the printing, right? When you add 2 numbers, when you calculate 2 numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 2, right click and run file, the answer will be the same answer, it will be displayed, okay, because it's considered as a string. Okay, now assume that 2 plus 2 like this without a double quotation mark, right? Now right click and run file. Now the answer will be 4. This 2 plus 2 answer will be 4, right? Very simple. This is how you have to add the answer, right? This one should be right. Now if I am going to use the arithmetic operators, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Okay. This one should be the minus, subtraction, division. Now let's look at the answer of the program. This is the answers, right? These are the answer of the program. Very simple one. You must try this one. Very simple. Okay, right. I hope you guys understood the Python programming well. I will continue in my next lecturing. Thank you for watching.